2013-2019 Mercedes X166 chassis, which is GL450, GL550. Power outlet or cigarette lighter or phone chargers outlet now working. And I'm going to show you where the fuse is located. You have to get on the driver's side, lift the seat up. You'll have an access to the fuse box, and I already have a fuse here, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse, and the fuse is gonna be a first one from the top, a yellow one in the blue box. Let's see. Yep, the fuse is shot. Let's see if it's gonna fix the problem. Oops. Anyhow, I'll deal with this later. And I'm gonna check if the power outlet is working. Back again. I'll start the car. And it's working. Thank you for watching.